In this video, we will learn how to turn off Discord overlay. Let's get started. To turn off the Discord overlay, go to this gear icon, which is User Settings. Scroll down, here you can see an option named Game Overlay. Click over here. You can see, enable the overlay option and change avatar size, small or large. Choose your name always display or only while speaking. You can choose never as well. And user display always or only while speaking. You can choose the notification position, top left, right bottom or left. You can disable notifications from here. Go up and from here, you can turn off the Discord overlay. In Activity Privacy, you can disable or enable all these options accordingly. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.